Hey up everyone, Rich here at Only Vans. We're going to finally start getting involved now in some cooking videos, so we're going to try and take on the elusive full English breakfast in one of these, so it's a slow cooker. So this is going to be designed at people in caravans, but I thought it would perhaps mainly benefit people that are camping in tents and things like that. So you don't need ovens, hobs or anything like that. You can literally have 3 mugs, 1 slow cooker, and you can get yourself access to a full English breakfast. I hope you enjoy. So the beauty of this dish is that you literally need minimal things to cook it with. So all that we're going to use is 3 mugs and 1 slow cooker. Mug 1 is a handful of mushrooms chopped with a tiny knob of butter in. Mug 2 is a can of spaghetti. Most people, or most normal people, would have beans. I don't like beans, so spaghetti is the only way forward. Here we have 2 eggs with a little dash of milk whisked in a mug. And that's 1 tomato cut in half in a small tin foil tray. So, first things first, we're going to put the mugs into the slow cooker. So, we want to try and limit how much space that you use. So, 1, 2, 3. In they go. So no breakfast is complete without adding some sausage in. So we're going to add the sausages, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put the sausages down the side like that, so that a majority of the sausage on one side is touching the outside of the dish of the slow cooker. Now for the bacon, what you want to do with this is you want to get the bacon out of the pack, and then you want to roll it up and then just pop it down the sides wherever you can sort of find space. So it's going to be 2 of us eating breakfast in the morning, so I'm probably going to try and put in maybe 5 or 6 pieces of bacon. And the final part of the jigsaw is putting in the hash browns. So you might have to be a little bit creative as to where you put those. Just wherever you find space, just slide them in. So I'm going to pop mine there. And then last but not least, the tomatoes in a tin foil tray. So I'm just going to place those on the top of the 3 mugs there like that. So this is the bird's eye view. This is how it should look. So just so you can see, put the 3 mugs in first, mushrooms, spaghetti, eggs, bacon one side, sausage the other, hash browns in there. And then, like I said just before, tomatoes just slide in the top there. Now, it's as simple as that. Preparation time, maybe 5 minutes. But the beauty of this is that all that happens next is I will get the lid, I'll reach for the lid, and then the lid will go on, as simple as that, and away you go. So you'll probably struggle to find an easier way of making a full English breakfast in this. And like I say, the beauty of this is that if you're a camper and you don't have gas hobs, ovens and all that sort of stuff, you can literally throw it all in one slow cooker, throw it in, you put it on a low setting for 8 hours, and then when you wake up in the morning, you'll have a perfect full English. And away she goes. So 8 to 10 hours later, and this is what it should look like. So sausages there, the egg there, spaghetti there, tomatoes and the mushrooms. And there you go. It looks absolutely amazing. So that is how you would cook a full English in a slow cooker. Put the bits in like we said, cook for no more than 6 hours, 6.5 hours, and then tuck in 1 slow cooker pot, 3 mugs, no frying pans, no saucepans, no ovens or anything like that, as easy as you like.